Hey folks, welcome to class number 5. And before we begin, I would like you to hit the like button and share this content, with friends of yours who like Excel. Um, Now, this is where we finished class number 4. If you haven't watched it, just go back to class number 4, watch it, and then you come to class number 5. Okay? So, the goal of this class, I'm gonna show you here, is to create all the graphs and information into these cards. Okay? So, if you click on each week here, you will see that the graphs are changing, and so is the image. See? But we are gonna get there. However, right now, I'm gonna show you how to insert the graphs on each card. Right? So I want you to come to Dashboard class. I want you to click on Insert, and then I want you to come to Graph. Now, I want you to choose the 2D column, and I want you to select as much space as you possibly can. Right? Once you do that, I want you to click on Chart Design. Actually, Chart Format first. Chart Format. Now, Shape, I want no fill. Shape Outline, I want no outline. And now, click on Chart Design and click on Select Data. Once you click on Select Data, I want you to click on Add. Once you click on Add, I want you to write Employee Payment, which is the series name. The series values, I want you to come to Pivot Table class, and I want you to click on, just make sure that your slicer is on week 15, and I want you to select the whole payment up to grand total. Now I want you to click on OK. See, so you can see that the payment of everybody is already there, but the name of the employees are not there. So I want you to click on Edit, and now on the Axis Label range, I want you to come to Pivot Table classes, and I want you to select the employee name up to grand total. Now you click on OK. See, now the name of each employee is already there. Once you get at this point, I want you to click on OK. If something went wrong, just, come back, watch the video up to here, and then move on. If you are here with me, I want you to delete a few things. So I want you to delete this employee payment. I also want you to delete these lines. See, so the graph looks cleaner. I also want you to delete these values. We don't want to show the values like that. I want you to come to plus, and then you click on Data Labels. Once you click on Data Labels, I want you to click on, okay, Data Labels, good, that's good. Move on, yeah. Fill, shadow, no. Yeah, so I want you to click on the values, and then I want you to come to label options. Label options. Label options, is it here number? No, it's label size, alignment. Yeah, here we go. So I want you to come to, let's do it again. I want you to click on, the values. Once you click on the values, I want you to come to size and properties, and then I want you to change the text direction to vertical. So you just click on rotate all text 270 degrees. Good. Once you do that, I want you to come to color, fill, no fill, sorry. I want you to come to home, and then I want you to change the color to white. I also want you to change the text to Montserrat, which is the one. I don't know if this is the pronunciation. This is the correct pronunciation. But I'm gonna say Montserrat, right? And this is the font that we are using. I want you to choose number 10. So the values are really clear. And here I also want you to make some changes. So first, I want you to click on this field with the names. I want you to click on line. I want you to click on no line. So the line that was appearing here, I'll just come back. See that there is a white line? I don't want this line to appear here. So you click on the names, you come to this view and line, and then you click on no line. No line. Now you click on size and properties again. Now the text direction, it actually can be vertical, but okay, let's choose the angle. I want you to put 45 degrees. Minus 45 degrees, yeah. So I want you to choose minus 45 degrees. And I want you to choose Montserrat as well. Then white. Here we go. This way is just, I've done it this way, right? But sometimes the names they get really close to each other, and see, it's not really clear to see. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually changing right now to this. So this is how you will be looking at your graph, okay? Which looks way better. Now I want you to go to your dashboard. So this graph is ready. It's ready, it's good to go. Now once you have done this, I want you to do the next graph. Just go to pivot table, make sure that you are on week 15. And the reason why I want you to be on week 15 is because week 15 is the one with more information. Pretty much week 15 and week 18, okay? So let's just make sure that we are working with week 15. Now, the second graph that we want to create is a site claim. Site claim, where do we have the site claim? We have here, so this is the table. We have already created this table, right? So this is the table that I want you to look at, and I want you to create this graph. So you are going to show every site and then the total of claim. So come here to dashboard class, click on insert. Now I want you to click on graph, choose the 2D graph, and I want you to make it as big as you possibly can. Now I want you to select, I want you to click on, sorry. Before you click on select data, let's change the format. I want you to click on shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline, right? This is what I want you to do. Now I want you to come to chart design, select data, add. This is what I want you to do. We have already done it before, and now you have the chance to learn it again. So this series name, I want you to write site claim, and series value, I want you to click on let's choose the value on our pivot table class. The value that you are going to choose is from on column K. I want you to select everything from 6,000 to the grand total, which is 84,000. And then I want you to click on OK. Now, just have a look at the graph. See, there is no name appearing down here. So what I want you to do is, I want you to come to Edit. Now you come to Pivot Table Class and you select every single construction site up to grand total. Now I want you to click on OK. Once you have done that, I want you to click on OK. Again, I want you to delete the site claim. I want you to delete these lines. Delete these lines. Delete. Go. Click on the lines. Delete, delete. Delete the numbers and then delete the lines. The lines are not going away. So grid lines. That's it. My delete wasn't working, so you just click on. If it happens to you, sometimes it happens. You just click on grid lines and then you leave it without grid lines. Okay. Now that we have it, I want you to click on data labels. Data labels. Once you do that, I want you to change it to just click on the data, and I want you to click on Montserrat number 10 white. Maybe bold? No, I don't want it to be bold. That's how I want it. Maybe here we can choose 12, a little bit bigger, just to make it. Sorry. Just select everything, and now you click on 12. Too big. 11. 11 is good. See, 11 is good. That's it. Now I want you to click on the data here. I want you to come to home. White. Montserrat. 11. Okay. And now I want you to click on fill and line. No line. So we get rid of the line that was here. And I want you to click on, where do I want you to go? I want you to go to custom angle in alignment. So you click on size and properties, click on site and properties, and on custom angle, you click on 45, minus 45, sorry, minus 45, good. I think that it looks better than the way I did, right? Here it's just, yeah, I just think that it looks better in angle, right? So let's make it look not really. No, these ones look better in angle, but these ones I don't think so. So I want you to leave it 0, okay? And let's leave it horizontally. Okay, so which table are we looking at? This is table 20. So table 20 has more construction sites than table 15, which is good for us that it happened. So in dashboard class, I want you to click on, actually, let's see. So here on week 15, we have 3 construction sites. Week 14, 3, 16, 3, 18. So week 18 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 construction sites. So week 18 is the winner. Let's just double check every single week. Week 18 we have 1, 2, 3, 5 5 weeks, 5 construction sites. So I want you to come to dashboard, and then on site claim, I want you to come to chart design, select data, and I want you to click on edit. Edit. Now which one are we going to edit? Both of them. I want you to click on site. Here is just going to be site claim. Can we just add it? Yeah, I just want to add it. Site claim, pivot table. This one, instead of K7, it's going to be 7, 8. Let's just delete everything. Just delete everything. And we are going to select everything on week 18 from $4,900 to $71,782.50. Now you click on OK. Now you come to edit and you select everything from West Melbourne up to grand total. Now you click on OK. Once you have done that, you click on OK. Now everything is good. See, if we just, let's bring this, I want you to press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. I want you to just double check here. So this is week 18. See, the grand total is there. Week 14, grand total is there. Week 15, grand total is there. 19, grand total is there. 21, grand total is there. Just double checking if everything is working well. And apparently everything is working well, right? So this is what you want to show to whoever you want to show. And it can be your manager, can be your director, can be your clients, can be whoever you need to show the data. It can be only for you, for your own data management. So now I want you to create one more graph here on site working hours. So the graph that I want you to create on site working hours is exactly the same as the site claim. Can you do it by yourself? So just press pause now, take 5 minutes and do this graph. See if you can do it by yourself. If you can, it means that you understood the exercise that we did here, right? And then once you finish it, then you come back. Okay, so go there. Do it now. Now, exactly. If you have done it and you are back already, I want you to come to Insert, Graph, 2-column graph. You select the biggest area that you can. Now I want you to click on Format, Shape Fill, No Fill, Shape Outline, No Outline, Chart Design, Select Data, Add. Now this is site working hours. Now I want you to come to Data Entry, Pivot Table Class, and I want you to select this graph here. See, the last graph, I will just click on Insert here. No, I can't. No, I don't want you. Pivot table. Site working hours. Now the series value. Let's do it again. Come to Pivot Table Class. I want you to click on From Carton to Grand Total. And then I want you to click on OK. Oh, no, sorry, my bad. I want you to edit it. Site working hours. Here, I actually want you to select this line. Okay. And now I want you to click on OK. Okay. So, okay. Delete it. Now, let's remove everything. Add again, series name, site working hours. Working hours. Now, series value, y-axis. I want you to come to pivot table class and select the total hours from 144 to 703, and then I want you to click on OK. Now the graph is already there. Now I want you to click on edit, and then I want you to come to pivot table class and select from carton to grand total. And now I want you to click on OK. See, now the site name is also there. Once you have done it, I want you to click on OK. I want you to delete this data. I want you to delete the title, and I want you to delete the grid lines. Once you have done it, I want you to click on the graph. I want you to click on plus, and I want you to click on data labels. Once you have done that, I want you to select the data labels. I want you to click on home. I want you to click on Montserrat, and I want you to click on number 10 and also white. That's all I want you to do. Once you have done that, I want you to select this data down here and just check this line, this white line. We are going to delete it. Okay, so select it, select the data, then you click on labels. You click on fill in line, no line, then you click on so no, we are gonna leave it horizontally. So I just want you to come to home. Now I want you to select Montserrat. I want you to come to the size 10 and white. That's all. Here it's 11. So let's just make it 11, and then everything, these two graphs, they are gonna be exactly the same. So now I just want you to compare. See, the dashboard is exactly the same. Now I want you to click on every single element of the card. I want you to right click. I want you to come to group, and group. So now if you want to move, let's do it again. Select everything, and then it's already done. What's happening here? Yeah, now you can move the whole card, right? If you did not understand, let's do it again. I want you to click on this card. If we just move this card, yeah, we have done it before. So I want you to, yeah, we have done it before, but we did only with the blue card, the light blue, and the dark blue. Now I want you to select the whole card, site claim, coins, and graph. Right click, group, and group. Now you can move everything again. And once you click on the chart, everything is still changing. Everything is changing. Now I want you to click on this card, data, employee payment, wallet. Right click, group. That's it. That's done. Okay. And now to finish the class, this class, I want you to insert the claim. How are you going to do that? I want you to click on insert shapes, and then I want you to select the text box. Once you have selected the text box, I want you to create, a bit big, choose, and then I want you to click out. Yeah, just select the text box. I want you to select Montserrat and let's say 12, and also white. And when you click on shape format, I don't want to have any fill, and I also don't want to have any shape. So you click on no fill, no shape outline. Now we just need to come to view and show the formula bar. I want you to click on this. Let's do it again. I want you to click on the card, the text. How do you call it, Excel? Text box. It's a text box. I want you to click on the text box. I want you to come to the formula bar. I want you to press equal. Once you press equal, I want you to come to pivot table class and just look at what we are looking for. We are looking for the claim. So I want you to come to pivot table data class, and the site claim is here. However, when we change it, the site claim is going to change. So if let's just double check here. If we select, we actually need to, we can't click on that. We actually need to write K. This is K7. If we write K7, I am getting 63,087. However, I remember that week 18 had more information, and now I am getting 23,000, but I am paying 38,000, and my claim is actually 71,782. So it doesn't work. I can't get K7 because this column is changing. And if I choose this column here, this column is K9. If I choose K9, once I go to week 16, it's gonna be K7. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create another table, right? And I want you to do it right now, another pivot table. And I just want you to show here, employee site. I just want you to show site claim. I don't even want to know the site. I don't even want to know the payment. I don't even want to know the profit. I just want to know the site claim. Okay? That's all I want to know. So now if I click on week 18, see the site claim is 71,782. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to get the data from J13. J13 is the table that gives us the site claim. We can actually leave it under the site claim of the column above. Now, let's do it again. You come to dashboard class. Here, instead of K7, if we look at this table, it's actually K13. K13. So if we go to dashboard class, let's do it again. If you click on the text box, we have already chosen the pivot tables underscore class K7. However, we saw that the claim is gonna be taken from K13. K13 is the $71,782.50. So $71,782.50. Now I want you to click on Home, Montserrat, 12, white, and no, I don't want both. Okay, I just want a little bit bigger. Let's make it bigger. Yep. Looks better. Now it looks better, right? So we are almost there. And this is actually going to happen with the cost as well. So if we select this table and on the values we select the cost, cost, which is the payment, which is there. Now I just I want this to be only cost. Yeah, so only cost. And the profit is going to be the same. So sorry, my bad. I should have said to you to leave all of them. And here is just profit. You can leave a space. Yep, good. Profit. Good. So now I want you to come to dashboard. I want you to you can actually copy and paste this text box. However, here I don't want K13. I want L13. The cost is on L13. You come to dashboard. Now it's L13. 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 You can click on this text box. You click on Format Painter, and then you click on this text box. So now 38,000 was the cost. If we just check, the cost needs to be exactly the same as the employee payment, which is $38,167.50. Now I want you to copy and paste this text box, and the profit is not going to be L, is going to be M. M13. So you come to dashboard class, and here I want you to select M13, and that's it. Now I want you to click on this text box, Format Painter, and then you click on this text box. Pretty much this. Now just double checking. See, if we click on week 15, we claimed $84,180. It's here. The cost was $49,427.50. The cost is here, so it's okay. And the profit is one minus the other, which is $34,752.50. Good, so that's it, folks. That's all that. We are just checking whether everything is changing accordingly. And yes, everything is changing accordingly. Sorry, site claim on week 26 is not here. Let's see why. So week 26, well, site claim is here. Site claim is here. Well, yeah, it's here. Week 26 is here. Yeah, sometimes it just takes a little bit to change. Oh, sorry. This is the right dashboard. Yeah. So let's double check again. Week 26. Site claim is not there. Maybe it is. Oh, I know why. Just click on the text box and then just make it bigger. It is there, but sometimes the text, see, the text is bigger than the box. So we just need to make the box bigger. No panic, everything is okay. Right, so now profit, just double checking, just go one by one, make sure that the data is there. Once the data is there, you have checked everything. I want you to save it, and I also want you to hit the like button and share this content with friends of yours. We have finished this class. I hope you liked it, and on the next class we are going to change this slicer. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to change this slicer into this slicer here. Okay, I hope to see you on class number 6. I am going to be waiting for you there. See ya. Bye bye. Or ciao ciao.